Now, of course, you can adjust them. We just have the fawn in the center, the doe on the left, and the buck on the right. But you guys can adjust them, position them however you want, do all that fun stuff. 100% worth it. Minus the mess, but that's okay. That'll take us 5 minutes to clean up. Definitely 100% worth it. Hello, my friends. Today we're taking a look at the Yaheetech. I think that's how it's pronounced. Yaheetech. So this is the white deer set, Christmas set, or Christmas winter time set. Hey, even if summertime, if that's what you guys like. I love that this brand does a really good job at keeping everything packaged nice, safe, and protected during shipping. Now, it will make a little bit of like a glitter mess when you open everything up. So just keep that in mind. So it depends on where you guys are setting this up. Just remember, you might have to do a little vacuuming when you're done. Okay, so when you're lining it up, line this pin up with the little bracket right in there. This is for the head. The head is inside the body, for those who are wondering. There is special slots for each piece here. So like the ear just slides right in. There's like a little hole there and it slides in. So just make sure you guys look for that. But yeah, this is really nice. I love it. I mean, take a look at it. It just really glimmers. So in the daytime, it's going to look really nice. And then at nighttime, it's just really going to stand out. So this is everything from one so far. But even though it makes a mess, unless you do this outside, it's still worth it. Because look how cute this is. This is just one. We still have two more to go. But look how cute it is. It is adorable. I love it. I know my wife's going to love it. We still need to tuck the wires and everything. Obviously we haven't gone through that yet. For those wondering, the curved legs are for the back. So the curved legs are on the back, and the straight legs go for the front. That'll save you guys a little time. These bars go across. You might find it down alongside the legs. So let me go and show you. It might be like down inside like this, so hard to see. These little bars pull out, and that's how you connect the front and back legs. And we are done. Now, I must say, in person, it is so much cuter than the camera could ever show. Like, they're really nice looking. I love them. I will turn them on for you guys. We don't have them outside just yet because it's not technically Christmas time in my area, and my wife doesn't want the neighbors to think we are nuts because it's not even Thanksgiving yet. But we wanted to get these up to show you guys what they look like. So we still need to adjust, like we need to adjust the ears, and you can rotate stuff how you want as well. So cute. Like in person, they are just stunning. And here's with the lights on. Guys, they are really cute. Now, of course, you can adjust them. We just have the fawn in the center, the doe on the left, and the buck on the right. But you guys can adjust them, position them however you want, do all that fun stuff. 100% worth it. Minus the mess, but that's okay. That'll take us 5 minutes to clean up. Definitely 100% worth it. It does come with stakes. So you can stake them into the ground, and the stakes are, just really simple metal stakes. You have zip ties as well. So the zip ties, I actually didn't know because we did the doe last. I recommend doing the doe first because you have access to this stuff. We put black zip ties right here because I didn't know it came with white ones. So yeah, it does come with white ones, and you just zip tie together to keep the head on. You just simply slide these in here. And you can drop a couple more zip ties if you're unsure about the stability. But yeah, guys, absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Just as a bonus tip, what I'm using is putting these zip ties through here, connecting these two pieces. So that way, if you look here, it doesn't work loose. So I'm just simply putting zip ties in through the weaving. So I put it in through here. I'll show you guys. What I do is kind of make a bend like this in the zip tie so I can like turn it in. So as I put it down in, I can like twist it and it pops out. So as you guys can see, like right here, I put it around both this metal bar and that metal bar, and that will keep the leg in place.